10th class, some application of trigonometry. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 120 meter above a lake is 30 degrees and the angle of depression of its reflection in the lake is 60 degrees. Find the height of the cloud. For better understanding, I have drawn the diagram first only. Here, this is the bank of the lake, this is the lake, and a point is 120 meters above the lake. From the point cloud is there here. B is the cloud. Angle of elevation is 30 degrees and its reflection in the water. E is the reflection of the cloud. Angle of depression is 60 degrees. So this is total height from here to here, bank of the river to lake to height of the cloud is h, and its reflection is also same height in the water. So if it is 120 meters and it is also same 120 meters, and I took this is total h meters. If it is 120, then it will become BC will become h minus 120. Now first of all we have to find tan theta. Tan theta is equals to formula. Tan theta, side opposite to theta by side adjacent to theta. Now here tan 30 degrees is equals to side opposite to theta. Here BC is the opposite, BC by side adjacent to AC. Tan 30 is equals to, the value, tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3 equals to BC value. BC is equals to how much here? H minus 120 is there. So H minus 120, that is equals to AC. We don't know base, so it should be same. If you multiplied, AC is equals to root 3 into H minus 120. Let it take equation number 1. Now here we have to find angle of depression, that is 60 degrees. Again we have to take tan theta only. Tan theta is equals to side opposite to theta by side adjacent to theta. Here tan 60 degrees is there. Tan 60 degrees, that is equals to side opposite to theta. If it is 60 degrees, then this side will become CE will become opposite and AC will become adjacent. So side opposite to theta, CE by side adjacent to theta, AC. Now tan 60 degrees is equals to CE can be written as CD plus DE by adjacent to AC. Tan 60, the value, tan 60 is equals to root 3. CD is equals to, from the diagram, CD is equals to 120 meters plus DE, we don't know, DE by AC. If you cross multiplied, you will get AC into root 3, that is equals to 120 plus DE is equals to H meters. Now here AC from equation number 1, here we have equation number 1, AC is equals to root 3 into H minus 120. Let me put here root 3 into H minus 120 into root 3 is equals to 120 plus H. If you multiplied root 3 into root 3 into root 3 3 into h minus 120, that is equals to 120 plus h. Now we have to multiply 3 into h, 3h minus 120 into 3, otherwise 3 0 0, 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3, equals to 120 plus h. Now we have to transpose h to left side and minus 360 to right side. 3h minus h is equals to 120 will remain same, plus if you transpose 360 to right side it will become plus 360. 3h minus h is equals to 2h. 120 plus 360 equals to 480. h is equals to 480 by 2. We simplify, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 4s are 0. So h is equals to 240 meters. What is h? Therefore the height of the cloud from ground is 240 meters.